Morning.
Hey guys. Hi guys. Hey guys, my name is Nelly. No. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nelly and thank you so much for stopping by. Um I just finished eating. I had some tea, some coffee, some Jacobs. Home brewed Jacobs. I'm joking. But now I'm about to take a bath because my mom wants to send me somewhere to go run some errands for her. And look at the weather. Upese ufuna ukungithuma. Anyways, I just hopped on here to say hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoy this vlog, and if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. We are on the road to 600 subscribers, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome home, and thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like and leave a comment down below. And yeah, and we're still going to talk about the giveaway announcement, something like that. Yo, just that now it's in your case. Ngisuthi, like ngisuthi. Awuthi ngigeze and then ngizobuya. Ngiyanithanda.
So I am done, guys, and I really need to do my hair. Like, I really need to do my hair. Let me put this on. But to leave, I'll see you guys when I come back. But those are the vibes at my tiny bag. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing here on the side. Right. Right. Sit, Tiger. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Enjoy. When they say it doesn't rain, but it pours, this is what they mean. This literally happened in like a few minutes, not even 30 minutes, not even more than 10, but yeah. Like, where am I supposed to pass now? There's literally water everywhere. Let be. No ways. Huh? I think I just set myself up for failure. Guys, if I fall, don't laugh. Here's the tricky part. I have to step on there and then jump all the way there. So you step on this small one and then you step on this one. But then we need the rain because my dad just plowed some mabele. Tomorrow kidding, guys, but yeah, those things. So food is coming. Thanks for the rain, God.